Right, okay, so we're looking at the revised part. We'll do 2 questions at a time, I think. So what's the ratio of the number of vertices of a cube, 2 dots, to the number of vertices in a triangular prism? So a vertex is basically the corner of a 3D shape. So you've got at least 3 edges coming together to make a vertex. If you've got more than one, they now become vertices. So on a cube, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, and we'll have 4 behind it. So we've got 8 vertices on there. Vertices on a triangular prism, we've got 3 there, and then we'll have 3 behind it as well over there. So we'll have 6 altogether. So it's 8 to 6, and then that will simplify. I can half both of these, and it becomes 4 to 3. So the second one's taken from a bar chart. So red, yellow, green sweets in a bag. Peter recorded the number of sweets in the bag, and this chart shows some information about its results. So what's the ratio of yellow to orange? So if I look at my yellow, I've got 10. And in my orange, I've got 8. So it's 10 to 8, which will simplify, because I can actually half both of those, so it becomes 5 to 4. Won't simplify any further. So ratio of red to green, so I've got 6 red. And then my greens, I've got, so it's in between there, so I've got 3. So it's 6 to 3. And again, I can simplify that. So any ratios, if you're writing them as ratios, you need to make sure they're simplified. So that becomes, I can divide both of those by 3, so it'll become 2 to 1. So for every 2 red sweets, there's just 1 green sweet.